Chinu and the Star of Hope, Part 3, Final Adventure. After the rainbow rain, the forest had become more beautiful than ever. Chinu's magic tree was now everyone's favorite place. But one night, something strange happened. The stars in the sky were not shining as brightly as usual. The forest felt a little quiet, a little sad. Chinu looked up at the sky and softly said, "It feels like one of the stars is unhappy." Suddenly, near the distant hill, a faint glow appeared. Chinu quickly called her friends, Gudu the rabbit, Minu the squirrel, and Motu the deer. "Let's go see what that light is." Together, they made their way toward the hill. When they arrived, they saw something incredible. A small, shining star was lying on the ground. It was glowing softly, but it looked sad. Chinu gently asked, "Why are you sad?" The little star replied, in a weak voice, "I fell from the sky, and I need to go back, but I cannot return alone." The friends looked at each other, thinking quietly. Then Chinu had an idea. "Our magic tree holds the power of light," Chinu said. Carefully, they carried the little star back to the tree. As soon as the star was placed beneath it, the flowers of the tree began to glow brightly. The light slowly grew, stronger and stronger. Then, something beautiful happened. The tallest branch of the tree gently lifted upward and softly tossed the little star back into the sky. Slowly, the star floated higher and higher until it returned to its place among the other stars. The sky shone brightly again. The stars sparkled more than ever before. And that same little star, it was shining the brightest of all. Chinu smiled and said, "See, when we help someone, the whole world becomes brighter." The friends cheered happily. The forest was filled with laughter once again. This journey of Chinu teaches us that courage and hope are the greatest magic. Friendship makes every challenge easier. We must care for both nature and one another. Helping others spreads light everywhere.